We have a trust gap, and we need to be coming together to talking about how do we close gaps. If I don't understand where you're going, of course I'm not going to perform well. If I don't have the communication, the information, the data that I need, of course I'm not going to perform well. But we don't blame the root cause, we blame the other guy. So what Island Health needed was a trust turnaround. It was the only way they were going to get out of their troubles. So we brought them together, and we came actually to a university setting. They were in Canada. So we went to the University of Victoria because it was a neutral offsite. It wasn't my location or your location. It's a learning environment, and they could come and learn how to have a different discussion. The results were nothing short of phenomenal, transformational. Look at the words before, 85% negative. Look at the words after, 86% positive after 2 years. From broken and dysfunctional to collaborative, trusting, respectful, caring, harmonious. These are words that our trading partner relationships should have. They're not options, in my opinion, because if we're not collaborative, if we're not respectful, if we aren't communicating in a transparent way, we can't bring our best to work. That's just 2 years later. I've had the opportunity to study some of the good, the bad, and the ugly, like Island Health. How do we turn these relationships around? How do we take the good relationships and make them great, or your typical relationships and make them better? My research, as Dusty mentioned, has led to 8 books on this concept. I had the opportunity to share a couple of the concepts in the breakout sessions earlier this week. Who attended those? Right? Hopefully you had some good takeaways. What I want to do today is get to the heart of trust and how you can have a trust turnaround, even if it's with your typical relationships.